So degree measure is what most people use in measuring angle. But there's also another way to measure angle, another unit of angle measurement, and that is called radian. So the first thing we are going to do right now is I will use the calculator to show you just the basic difference between when you enter a value in degree and when you enter the same value in radian. So that you see what the difference are. So having said that, so now the only way you can check is, as far as this type of calculator is concerned, the only way you can switch from degree and radian is by clicking this button that is called mode. Mode. Click on mode. Once you click on mode, it pops out a menu. Now, in this particular case right now, if you look at this, it says under normal, you have math print, float, radian, degree. So right now, this thing is in radian. So now let me move it to degree, first of all, because that's what we are used to. So once you make sure that degree is selected, you hit enter. So now degree is selected. So any other thing we enter here, if it is angle, we'll record in degree. So now let's use, for example, so once you do that, degree is selected, you're sure it's selected, then you can press clear to clear your screen. Now, let us use one angle. For example, let's use something like angle 30 degree. Angle 30 degree. So you took a protractor, you measured angle 30 degree, and then let's see what it gives if you do sine 30 degree in sine 30 degree in degree. So now press sine and enter 30 degree and close your parentheses, and then you hit enter. Boom. You see what it gives you? Now let's do the same thing in radian and see whether it's going to give us the same value. It gave us, this one gave us 0.5. So now let's go back and change the mode of our calculator. Let's change the mode of our calculator and see what happens. So we come back to mode. Instead of degree, we come to radian. It was in degree, so now let's select radian, making sure it's in radian. You hit enter to select radian, then you clear the screen. So now we are now in radian. So now let's do sine 30 degree as well and see what it gives us. So I will press sine 30 degree, and then I'll enter my 30 degree, which is 30. I'll close the parentheses, I'll hit enter. You see what it gives us? It gave us minus 0.988. So the values are completely different. So now when you are using a calculator, that's why I keep on saying make sure your mode is in degree. When you are using a calculator, you have to be sure of the mode of the calculator you are operating. If you are not sure, you end up making mistake. Okay, so the best practice would be leave the mode in degree, because that's what most people use. But when you need a radian, you have to actually go to the mode and switch it to radian before you start punching in your numbers. Does that make sense?